Do you want to scale your business and start making real money online? If so, you need to stop being afraid of using paid advertising and realize that it is something that is going to make you a ton of money. I'm going to tell you all about it. It's coming up in my review of Advanced Google Ads Mastery. Before we get to that, my name is Eric Hammer. I'm known as the man with the hat. That's because I wear a fedora, well, pretty much everywhere that I go. I'm one of the very few people who can promote successfully. Well, me and my buddy Raymond over here.
Concierge of crime, man in the hat.
Now, if you're new to the channel, by the way, if you're not new, you know the drill by now. Go ahead and skip ahead my jokes. They're even staler than dad jokes. I was reading in the Wall Street Journal just now that about dad jokes, and yeah, this guy has really stale dad jokes, but mine are even more stale than his. But anyway, but seriously, if you're new to the channel, what do here's two of these, or if you software and info products, and the make money online niche, and why would I do such a thing in my ass? Well, it's very, very simple. To make sure that you don't end up buying a bunch of crap.
A piece of crap.
A piece of crap.
Newman, that guy, he's driving me crazy. Along with Bart and that crazy guy who keeps talking about loving crap. You don't love crap, guy. And Newman, you, I don't know what you are. He's annoying. I get why Jerry Seinfeld never liked the man. If you are new to the channel, wait to work here if I like, but I will give a tip my answer back career. If I don't, better luck next time. Now, I also do a lot of videos here involving mindset and entrepreneurship.
Musician, scholar, rake, entrepreneur, conspiracy theorist.
No, I am just an entrepreneur. And by the way,
Where is Liz Lemon?
exactly. Good God, where is Liz Lemon? But seriously, if you are new, make sure you smash that subscribe button, hit the bell icon to be notified when I drop new videos. So thanks to subscribe doesn't mean much here on YouTube anymore. Make sure that you like this video, comment down below. Let's get right into this. Okay, so we're looking right now at the sales page for Advanced Google Ads Mastery for my friends at Fire Launchers. Now, I personally have used Google Ads and made money off of them. They are great, but you can also spend a ton of money and waste so much money on Google Ads if you don't know what you're doing, which is why I happen to love this particular product, because this thing is going to help you to be able to know how to build profitable ads on Google and to actually make money off of them and start, doing sales instead of just wasting money sending people useless traffic. And the thing I love about everything from Vikram from Fire Launchers is that everything comes with full PLR rights. So if you take it out here, it's going to cost you $8.60. You get full PLR rights. That means you can sell these, you can give them away, you can use them as a bonus. You can even create your own product around them. The only thing you can't do is that if you want to create your own product around it, you have to change it significantly to the point where it's unique. Otherwise, Warrior Plus will not let you use it as a front-end product. But other than that, you can use it for whatever you want as your own product. If you want to set a private launch, you can do a private launch on Warrior Plus without that being a problem. It's just it's a public launch. That's an issue. So I'm going to show you the members area, but before I show you the members area for this product, I do want to tell you about my custom modes. I've just recorded a brand new video where I'm going to show you how I am able to do retargeting ads in literally about 5 minutes of effort. Now, I've only just started doing retargeting ads. I really haven't done them a lot. I used to use a service for retargeting ads that charged me about $400 or $500 to run them for me. And that's expensive if you're not going to make a return on your investment. And I found a way of doing it that's actually going to cost me around $100 to $150 for the same amount of retargeting ads. And I get to control them myself, pick where they're going to go. Plus, I'm going to show you in my custom bonus how to get $100 of free ads and how to get all your ads done for you in literally about 60 seconds or so. I'm going to show you in over my shoulder videos how I do it step by step. You can do it completely for free with this particular bonus website. It's not something I'm getting a commission for or anything. It's just a place I found that I absolutely love. that I'm really excited about. I'm going to share it with you in my custom bonus, which you're going to get exclusively from me when you pick up Advanced Google Ads Mastery directly from me as opposed to from somebody else. Let me show you the members area real quick over here. You can see it comes with everything you need. So you're going to have the graphics, of course, the sales page. Everything is included for you, including the actual manual. Pick up the upsell. So it's also going to include a video version of the same course. You can actually sell these, use them as a bonus, give them away, whatever you like. I really do love PLR, and I buy these things constantly because of the fact that I find them tremendously useful. And again, pick this up from me. You're going to get exclusive access to my video course that I just created, showing you how I'm able to do retargeting ads literally with under 5 minutes of effort. It literally is super duper fast. I'm going to show you this secret website that I found that's going to give you $100 worth of free advertising. Plus, you're also going to be able to do it all in about 5 minutes, super, super fast. It's really, really great. A lot of people don't know about this, so I think you're going to really like it a lot. So let's see if I'm going to give a tip man to the product creator or not. Yeah, seriously, you the man. I really like this thing. It's great. Grab this. You're absolutely going to love it.